Hi, I'm Robin Cole, and I'm with Microsoft. I'm part of a customer-facing engineering team, and I'm here today with
Matt Hobbs. I'm a partner with PwC responsible for our cloud engineering data AI business.
We have been talking about doing this hack forever. Years we have been talking about how do we get PwC and Microsoft and our customer-facing engineers into a room to learn and do things together. The magic finally came together this week.
Getting everyone in the room, it felt like we had all the right people, all the right skill sets to really move quickly.
So we had different roles with different kind of skills, and it meant we could have a really good dialogue, get up on the whiteboard, make decisions really quickly, and then move from that into prototypes and getting things working all within the same hour, which is quite powerful and quite amazing.
One of the things that Microsoft brings is that deep technology expertise.
And for us, for our clients, a lot of that is knowing them, knowing the industry, knowing the function, knowing how to define a problem. I think the partnership and complement is taking that deep industry business functional knowledge, and then how do you actually execute it with an engineering outcome?
And just working with them side by side allows us to see that these tools are usable by even folks like us. You can test ideas, test concepts, prototype concepts, and just iterate really quickly together.
And we weren't just walking out of the session with like a whiteboard of ideas, but we were really quickly prototyping, testing, and just building real solutions really quickly.
It was really valuable for us to explore different paths forward. Because for us, it was picking brains with, top engineers and our PwC clients or partners, and getting an idea of what's possible.
And so for us, it's always been this equation of 1 + 1 = 3 in our partnership with Microsoft.
And that, a lot of where our partnership comes together is you take the industry problem, you take a forecast of where value is going to be created in the industry going forward with disruption, and you try to anticipate, what do I need to do now that's going to make progress to be able to bring me on that long-term journey. I think that's a lot of where we come together to deliver amazing value.
On the first day, you could tell where everybody came from. By day 3, everybody's friends. We're mixing it up. You can't tell the badges where anybody came from. That's success.
It's exciting to see it come together now, and the 100 more that we'll be doing over the next couple of years and driving a lot of impact together.
The acceleration of AI is real, and our ability to crush it together and bend that curve, it's never been stronger and more obvious in front of us in terms of the potential.